Naomi Elaine Campbell, born the 22nd of May 1970, is a British model. Beginning her career at the age of 8, Campbell was one of 6 models of her generation declared supermodels by the fashion industry and the international press. She was the first black woman to appear as a model on the covers of Time and Vogue France. In addition to her modeling career, Campbell has embarked on other ventures, including an R&B studio album and several acting appearances in film and television. She hosted the modeling competition reality show The Face and its international offshoots. Campbell is also involved in charity work for various causes, although she was banned from being a trustee of any charity in the United Kingdom for 5 years in September 2024 following a financial misconduct investigation. She was also mentioned in the Epstein files. Naomi Elaine Campbell was born on the 22nd of May 1970 in Lambeth, South London, to Jamaican-born dancer Valerie Morris. Per her mother's wishes, Campbell has never met her father, who abandoned her mother when she was 4 months pregnant and went unnamed on her birth certificate. She took the surname Campbell from her mother's second marriage. Her half-brother, Pierre, was born in 1985. Campbell is of Black Jamaican and Chinese Jamaican descent. Her Chinese heritage comes through her paternal grandmother, whose surname was Ming. Campbell spent her early years in Rome, Italy, where her mother worked as a modern dancer. On their return to London, she lived with relatives while her mother traveled across Europe with the dance troupe Fantastica. From age 3, Campbell attended the Barbara Speaks stage school, and at age 10, she was accepted into the Italia Conti Academy of Theatre Arts, where she studied ballet. She also attended Dunraven School. Personal life. In a 2010 interview for British Vogue, Campbell stated that in 1999 she entered rehabilitation for cocaine addiction, and then she joined Alcoholics Anonymous to get sober. She stopped drinking around 2012. Campbell has never met her biological father. She regarded French-based Tunisian fashion designer Azzedine, whom she met at 16, as her papa. She also holds high respect for record producers Quincy Jones and Chris Blackwell as adopted father figures. Former South African President Nelson Mandela referred to Campbell as his honorary granddaughter. She first met Mandela in November 1994 after his party, the African National Congress, invited her to travel to South Africa to meet with their leader. She had previously donated the proceeds from a photo shoot in Tanzania to the ANC. Over the years, Campbell has lent support to many of Mandela's political campaigns and humanitarian causes. In 1993, she became engaged to YouTube bassist Adam Clayton. They met in February of that year after Clayton, when asked in an interview if there was anything in the world he desired but did not have, responded, "A date with Naomi Campbell." Campbell and Clayton separated the following year. In 1995, she dated Leonardo DiCaprio. From 1998 to 2003, she was in a relationship with Formula One team principal Flavio Briatore. They were engaged. Campbell now considers Briatore her mentor. From 2008 until 2013, she was in a relationship with Russian businessman Vladislav Doronin. She also had relationships with Robert De Niro, Hassan Jamil, Sean Diddy Combs, and Usher. In 2019, she dated Skepta. In May 2021, she announced the birth of her daughter. In February 2022, Campbell confirmed to Vogue that her daughter was not adopted, posing with her child for a photo shoot. In June 2023, she announced the birth of her son. Campbell shared that her daughter and son were both delivered via surrogate. Association with Jeffrey Epstein. Campbell appears in the alleged contact book and in flight logs of late American financier and sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein, as well as in photographs with Epstein and his associate Ghislaine Maxwell. Admitting she knew Epstein after being introduced to him by ex-boyfriend Flavio Briatore, stating, "What he's done is indefensible. When I heard what he had done, it sickened me to my stomach, just like everybody else. Because I've had my fair share of sexual predators, and thank God I had good people around who protected me from this. I stand with the victims. They're scarred for life, for life." Testimony for Blood Diamond case. In August 2010, Campbell made an appearance at a trial against former Liberian President Charles Taylor, where she was called to give evidence on possible blood diamonds she received, believed to be from Taylor, in Cape Town, South Africa in 1997. Campbell testified that the diamonds were given to her as a gift by unknown men that she assumed were sent by Taylor. She later gave the diamonds to Jeremy Ratcliffe, the then director of the Nelson Mandela Children's Fund, as a donation to charity. Suspecting they were illegal, Ratcliffe did not donate them and kept them in his possession. In August 2010, shortly after Campbell's testimony, Ratcliffe handed them over to the police. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.